It's a new year and we've been focused on more simple things and decluttering. We've been making more room for new adventures and clarity.
We got these toys out,
so somebody else can get them and play with them, right?
We also passed along gently used clothes to a local homeless shelter. But we also have furniture and decor to pass on.
So this picture just randomly fell. We are letting this picture go. The funny thing is that picture just reminds me of when we were like 18. We just was like, forget it. We going to New York. Everybody else was going to Cedar Point. But we were like, nah, we'd rather go to New York. Literally hit the road, no plans or anything.
This picture also shows our elementary school. We met there.
Get out of here. This is still so crazy to me, y'all. We had this picture for years. That memory never clicked to me. Just saying, forget it together. That's monumental, babe.
And now we're gonna pass it on to somebody else.
Now it's time to create more wild adventures. That's how it is. Sometimes you gotta let go to make room for what's new. Habitat for humanity.
I'm ready to throw away something else.
Me too.
What else?
What's next?
lots of toys. Got toys next month.
We've even done simple things like getting rid of this unhealthy microwave and this convection oven.
So these is from our old job sites. We decided to use them in the house because our air fryer and our microwave broke. Why not use them? We got them.
This air fryer we replaced them with not only will take up less space, but it's supposed to be a healthier option. Do you think that air fryers or convection ovens are a better alternative to a microwave? Along this journey, we even noticed our kids had the wrong toys.
So Christmas was filled with replacing them with stuff that'll help them build life skills and just get more creative.
Hey.
Hey.
Such a good work. Hey.
We got that. Yes. Yo, girl, Ava has been growing, okay? Used to be down here.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Bang.
Aww.
Always gotta slide this down.
Elroy back at it again. What are you doing? I'm curious. So these are our little scraps. Okay, maybe we need to add more.
Before it was time to wrap gifts, we took time to create some memories.
It don't work like that.
Stuff and stuff in the tree. Group.
TJ said, you're interrupting me putting stuff inside the tree. Don't call him. If you need a tree fix, don't call him. He takes the trees apart. He puts stuff in the middle of the tree. We're going to be wondering, why are all the ornaments missing? They probably going to be broke under the tree.
I remember being a kid and loving to be a part of cooking and preparing for the family events with my grandma and her partner. Seeing them come together and bring meals and events together is part of my favorite core memories.
What you got going on in here, babe?
Waffles. Oh, we got some good
Ooh, that's hot. Ain't you supposed to be helping Dada cook?
I did. I mixed it like.
Oh.
And I put the batter. I put pretty baking powder.
Bon appetit.
I was at the end of it.
Hey, little lady.
Hi. So we cooking up some mushrooms. My friend.
Okay. Y'all go ahead and finish cooking. Make sure y'all save me a couple mushrooms. Okay. They over here dropping them like it's hot.
I'll put it over here on this pan. This kind of like a steamer pan, but we're gonna let that grease drip down there.
Oh, look at Ava claws. Thank you, Mom. Got her little gift bag. I remember when I was younger and I had my first Christmas where I gave everybody a gift. And then the girl down the street stole all the gifts though.
This is TJ. I made him a little paper toy. so that he could have a little toy.
Oh, how sweet. So these are your gifts you have to take to other people's house?
Yep.
Oh, she even got some little things in there, like the little, what is they, shreds? Little decorative shreds.
Yep.
You so cute.
Yeah.
think he couldn't hang. Relaxation. Can you guess what this will be?
All right, Chef A.
So these are going to be some interesting book eyeballs. Voila. You ain't never seen any Buckeyes like these.
So the treats that we decided to make is all plant-based ingredients that we use. We didn't use no animal products, even down to our lemon cake.
This what happen when trying to get every nook and cranny goes wrong.
How? Our cake.
It's flipping time. Bam, 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 bam.
Oh, how cute.
That boy purple, little brown.
It's cute.
All right, so we got some icing.
Lemon icing with a little hint of chocolate dip.
It's so cute and tiny.
The kids were knocked out, so it was time for Mr. and Mrs. Claus to get to wrapping gifts. I can't help but be grateful that things that are a part of my core memories are what we're able to share with our babies daily.
Right. What time is it?
Ooh, Merry Christmas.
Her writing is so cute to me.
I don't know if I'm getting older and just deciding to just tell wise tales, but it's just funny how our tree been like this for like the last 2 or 3 years, I think. I actually was just telling Bae, like, it's funny because our tree represents the fact that we've outgrown this space.
Yes.
And we need to go fit into what's next for us. Just like we were sharing, well, I don't know if you know, but we were sharing a story about like a picture of New York that we had. And all the years that we had it, we never really, at least we never put it out there like, wow, that's monumental for us, because that was like our first time taking a crazy adventure together.
Right.
And ever since then, we just been taking crazy adventures together. So the meaning for the New York picture was the fact that it's time for new adventures when we let that go. And the meaning for this tree now is we have outgrown this space and we need to go get into a space that truly fits.
Let's get it going on this journey.
Right. Now let's take our butts to bed, because
Yes.
the things we do for kids, just so we can make sure that they little imagination and creativity and whatever else, just so they can be happy, we done did this.
It's 5 in the morning.
Yes.
They probably about to wake up.
It is Christmas 2024. What does Christmas mean to you, Ava?
Family, food, and presents.
What do Christmas mean to you, dude?
So I think Christmas about those got the presents.
Well, just know y'all didn't get these presents for just anything. Y'all got these presents because y'all have been doing really good this year. Y'all have been growing and learning more. Right. If y'all was not doing what y'all needed to be doing, y'all wouldn't be getting nothing.
What's this? Coffee bubble.
Uh-oh.
Yeah! Oh, that's so cool.
We probably sleepy when we wrap that one.
Right. What the heck?
I mean, I like popping bubbles. What is this? What is it? Thank you so much. This is nuts. Oh, they got me a mammoth.
What? Oh! What is it?
It's a mammoth. Why?
Most of the stuff we got them was meant to help them develop real skills, like starter knives that were made of plastic and cutters, along with a whisk and a little chopper.
What is this?
Don't go by your hand. Yeah. Again, put your tip down. Tip down. Yeah.
We even got our little stylist her own mannequins. Even if she doesn't decide to take this all the way, at least she'll have built a skill to do her own hair or nails. A great way to pamper yourself and save money. We also gave them even more tools to inspire them while they're doing their homeschooling using Me Academy.
Dad, look, easy.
It not only provides core subjects, but subjects like life skills, which I absolutely love. And if you're thinking about choosing Me Academy, don't forget to use ARTT20. That's ART20, so you can save a little something.
We also gifted them things like these blocks that'll help them randomly just spark that creativity.
AJ house, this Maddie house, Germany's, my Ava's, Juju.
We actually love to build with their blocks too. And it's actually kind of fun to organize them in this magnetic cart. And it's pretty cool. It can even stick to the outside, and look how it doesn't even move. But check out this 360 spin. Life is truly beautiful. We're more than grateful to move forward for what's to come. Can't forget to mention being grateful for our past adventures. Some you may even have been introduced to us by.
What you think, Grandma?
Also, for so many other moments that we haven't even shared.
That is nice. Like the army fatigue.
Dude making some vegetables.
Yo, can you and go away?
Meet Brutus and Jax.
Hey TJ, look at you.
I'm a hustler. I'm a little hustler.
We thank all y'all that show that genuine support to us and look forward to our journey in the future. We really appreciate it, and we got so much more to show y'all. So stay tuned, buckle up, because we just getting started. Happy New Year. Cruise, now we coasting. Make my own wave like a boat that's in the ocean. Get took by the tide, but you gotta stay focused. Losing the track of time, I leave you wide open.